The Dual Pulley Cable Squat with D handles is a variation of the back squat using the cable machine that places the load into your hands rather than on your spine. Even though this move targets your legs, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, since you have to hold the D handles up with your arms, this limits the amount of weight you can lift, thus not being the best exercise to overload your legs. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust both pulleys to their lowest setting and attach a D handle to each low pulley. Stand in the center of the cable machine and grab a handle in each hand with an overhand grip. Raise your hands to just outside of your shoulders, similar to as if you were holding a barbell on your back. Even though the image on the machine shows the cables placed in front of your arms, I found it more comfortable having the cables behind my arms. Place your feet shoulder width apart with your toes pointing slightly outward. Tighten your core, keep your chest up and shoulders back to maintain proper posture throughout the movement. Begin the squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees as if you're lowering yourself onto an invisible bench. Keep your weight balanced over your heels and ensure your knees track in line over your toes. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as you can comfortably go while keeping good form. Push through your heels, extend your knees and hips to rise back to the starting position while squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.